Hey, what's up guys, it's Ayn here from the Tech Info House back with another video. So today guys, I'm gonna showcase you MIUI 10 for Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without any further ado guys, let's get started. MIUI 10 comes along with lot of visual changes which not only looks good but is also very practical, especially for the new devices with 18:9 aspect ratio. Talking about the ROM, it comes along with Android Oreo alongside the latest Android security patch, and talking about the MIUI version, it comes along with Global Beta 8.7.26, which at present is the latest and the greatest MIUI 10 official ROM you can get for your device. And this ROM is surprisingly really stable in spite of it being just a beta version. Yes, there are certain bugs here and there, but overall this version of the global beta ROM is really good. The fingerprint sensor as well as the face unlock works fine too, so no problems there, but I noticed that even when my eyes were closed, it kind of opens at times while using the face unlock, but I'm sure it will be fixed in further builds. Anyways, moving ahead to the features, it comes along with everything that you expect from MIUI 10. Be it the notification panel, which has a significant design change, and I feel it is far more better than the earlier generations. It has a translucent white and blue design which looks quite similar to the upcoming Android P, and overall I really like the way it has been designed. We also see a significant design change in the audio panel, and it once again follows the design language of Android P, and Xiaomi has also included a dedicated mute toggle along with options to control different levels of audio. Anyways, one of the most innovative design change in MIUI 10 has to be the recent tab menu, where we now get a vertical layout which not only looks good but is very practical and easy to use. And one can also long press an app to get further options like opening it on split screen, locking the app on memory, or just accessing the settings of it. Other than that, one can also just simply swipe an app to remove it from the memory or the recent tab menu. Moving ahead to gestures, Xiaomi is no exception to this latest trend, and I gotta say MIUI team has done a great job over here. Although they implemented the same on MIUI 9.5, we all know how it ended. It wasn't that functional, it was laggy, it didn't used to work, it was buggy, but with MIUI 10 things have changed drastically. It now works like a champ, it's fluid, functional, and more importantly it works very well. And talking about how it works, you just need to swipe up from an application to go back to home, you need to swipe up and hold to go back to the recent tab, and if in case you want to go back, you need to swipe from either side of the screen, and if in case you just want to switch to the previous application, you need to swipe and hold. There are also other gestures implemented, but let's not dig in that further. We also won't dig into the AI enhancement, app management, camera enhancement, caller UI tweaks, and so much more. It will be left for another video when finally the global stable version of the ROM arrives. So for this video, that's all guys. It's Ayn from the Tech Info signing off. Have a nice day. Peace.